Welcome to the burglar alarm tutorial. Before we dive in, let's explain what the burglar alarm feature is all about. As you know, our NVRs offer a wide variety of triggers that can be configured to respond to specific events. But what happens if you need to temporarily disable some of these triggers? For instance, imagine you're a store owner who doesn't want to receive notifications from the NVR while you're at the store. That's where the burglar alarm feature comes in. It functions similarly to a traditional alarm system. When you arrive at work, you disarm the system. When you leave, you arm it again. When the NVR's burglar alarm is enabled, you can configure specific camera triggers to automatically become active or inactive based on the alarm state. Now that you know, let's move on how to set this all up. The burglar alarm feature can be located by going to the settings, navigating your way to events and analytics, and you will see the burglar alarm linkage. Click it. We're going to set up the burglar alarm feature in just 3 simple steps. Step 1 is setting up your arming and disarming method. We provide you with 3 arming methods to use. Let's go through them. Option 1 is the sensor input. A sensor input serves as an alarm input, and many of our NVRs come equipped with input and output functionalities. If your NVR supports this feature, you can use one of its alarm inputs to arm or disarm the burglar alarm. The burglar alarm state changes based on the incoming dry contact. For instance, you can connect a conventional alarm system to the NVR. When the alarm system is armed or disarmed, the corresponding dry contact signal sent to the NVR will automatically change the burglar alarm state to match. Other examples of incoming dry contacts could be a motion sensor, remote control, and a door contact, just to name a few. Many of our clients worldwide take advantage of the burglar alarm function by replacing traditional PIR sensors with our AI-enabled cameras. When the alarm system is armed, it essentially arms the analytics on the cameras. If an event is detected, the camera triggers the alarm system through dry contacts. Additionally, users can receive real-time CCTV notifications from our system, providing enhanced security and streamlined integration between the alarm and video surveillance systems. Second method for arming and disarming the burglar alarm is through our Cam2 application. To use this method, start by enabling the remote client in the NVR settings by checking the corresponding box. Once this is done, open up the app. Swipe to the right to reveal the virtual arming button. The button will indicate the current state of the burglar alarm. To change the state, simply tap the shield icon and you'll be prompted to confirm the action before the state is updated. This method provides a convenient way to manage the burglar alarm remotely. The third option is to manually arm and disarm the burglar alarm directly through the NVR by selecting Manual Activation option. This feature functions exactly like the one available in the Cam2 app or through the NVR's alarm input, providing another convenient way to control the system. Let's move on to step 2, which is selecting the cameras you want to link to the burglar alarm function. Click the Add button to bring up all cameras connected to the NVR. Any camera you select will be affected when arming or disarming the burglar alarm, meaning it will automatically follow the alarm state changes. Now we've selected your cameras, it's time for step number 3, choosing which triggers should become inactive on the selected cameras. Just a quick refresher, our NVR offers a wide variety of triggers that can be configured to activate in response to specific events. It's important to understand this because these are the very triggers that you can select to become inactive using the burglar alarm feature. To manage which triggers become inactive based on the burglar alarm state, you have 2 options. You can perform a bulk selection by clicking the configuration header. Any changes here will apply to all selected cameras. Alternatively, you can adjust each camera individually by clicking the configuration button for each one. It's important to note that if you want a trigger to become inactive, you must select it by clicking the checkbox. Any trigger left unchecked on this list will not be affected by the burglar alarm state. As you can see, all the triggers that were available to respond to an event are also available to become inactive based on the burglar alarm state. Some examples include stopping video pop-ups, preventing the buzzer from activating, and disabling alarm outputs that would typically trigger the camera's action. You can even go as far as turning off the audio speaker and visual light on our active deterrence cameras. Here's a quick useful tip. Some clients may want to disable a trigger, like a notification, but still record the event. To ensure this happens, make sure the record option is left unchecked. This way, when the event does occur, it will still be recorded, but no notification will be sent. We have selected the following triggers to become inactive on these cameras. To save changes, make sure to click Apply. And with that, we're done. I trust it was easy to follow, and I look forward to seeing you next time.